Hello guys, I am Sakama Bhatta. Welcome to my new video. A blast hit an airbase inside Russia on Tuesday, the latest in a series of airfield Ukrainian drone attacks that showcase an ability to strike at the heart of Russian territory and suggest a new boldness in Kyiv fight against Moscow's war. An airfield at Kursk in southwest Russia near the Ukrainian border was stabilised on Tuesday morning, with regional governor Roman Starovoyt saying the incident was the result of a drone attack. Photos and video verified by NBC News showed a large fire at the airfield caused by a suspected damage while tanker with smoke trailing miles across the sky. Similar explosions were seen on Monday at the Engels airbase outside the city of Saratov and at Russia region just 125 miles southeast of Moscow and hundreds of miles away from Ukrainian border. The Engels base housed Russia's strategic bombing fleet of Tu-160 and Tu-95 planes, which have been used to long-range bombing missions to Ukraine and can be adapted to carry nuclear weapons. Ukraine has lost directly claimed responsibility, but officials have jokingly suggested its military may be behind the incidents. Russia's defense ministry blamed Kyiv's forces for the two blasts Monday, in which it said 3 maintenance personnel died and 2 planes were damaged. Analysts were cautious about the military impact of the apartment attacks on strategic sites far from the front lines, but said they had further undermined Russian confidence in the country air defense while providing a timely morale boost for Ukrainian civilians preparing for a long winter under bombardment. The signals is important for the Ukrainians. They need to know that they are hitting back, given the amount of pain and devastation and general discomfort that's meted out of Ukraine. Matthew Ford, an associate professor at the Swedish Defense University in Stockholm, told by NBC News, it's important from a moral point of view that some Russian strategic resources are being targeted. Russia has the firepower to carry on bombing Ukraine, he added. It might be a pain, but they can recollect aircraft and infrastructure. They can put up more security around air bases. The attacks were inflicted, that Kremlin said, by Soviet-made UAV or unmanned aerial vehicles. This suggests Ukraine is not using the billions of dollars worth of lethal aid it has received from the United States and other Western allies attacks on Russian soil. Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky said that emergency shutdowns were required to stabilize the system after the attacks.
Енергетики одразу розпочали відновлювальні роботи. Максимум зусиль в центральних областях України, на Одещині, в Запорізькій області, на Харківщині. У багатьох регіонах для стабілізації системи довелось перейти до аварійних відключень.
Zelensky also said that the latest missile attacks came on the anniversary of the signing of the Budapest Memorandum.
Сьогоднішньою ракетною атакою Росія відзначила чергову річницю підписання Будапештського меморандуму. Документу, чия доля дає відповіді на багато і сьогоднішніх запитань про Росію. Щось просто підписати з цими терористами миру не буде. Щось просто погодити з ними точно порушення. Віддати Росії хоча б щось з елементів безпеки інших означає нову війну. Тому і потрібне принципове продовження наявної політики сумлінних держав світу, тільки демонтаж російських терористичних можливостей, Тільки звільнення всієї нашої землі і тільки притягнення вбивць до відповідальності може дати мир. Вірю, прийдемо до цього.
Airbase in Russia, home of a strategic bomber military base. The site was the target of Ukrainian drone strike on Monday, Russia said. As the Ukrainian liberation of Kherson from Russian forces, these week's drone attacks have been received badly by some commentators and military bloggers inside Russia, who have demanded relation for what they see as a serious reputational blow. The Institute for the Study of War, a US-based military think tank, said the drone attacks had inflicted light damage while demonstrating Ukraine's ability to strike Russia's near areas and possibly disrupted Russia's campaign of strikes against Ukrainian infrastructure. If Russia assesses the incidents were deliberate attacks, it will probably consider them as some of the most strategically significant failures of force protection since its invasion of Ukraine. The British Ministry of Defense said in its daily intelligence update on the war Tuesday. The apparent drone attacks come after cities across Ukraine have been hit by a sustained bombing campaign with repeated damage to energy infrastructure, leaving millions without heat or power. Angels in the main operating base of Russia's long-range aviation (LRA) within western Russia and is home to more than 30 heavy bombers, the UK ministry said. These aircraft contribute to Russian nuclear deterrent and have also frequently been used to launch conventional cruise missiles at Ukraine. The LRA is likely to respond by temporarily moving bombers to dispersal airfields. Ukraine has launched occasional attacks into Russian-held territory and into Russia itself since the war began on February 24th. In August, the Saki airfield in Crimea was hit while a huge explosion destroyed a key bridge linking Russia and the In October, President Vladimir Putin drove across the rebuilt bridge in a Mercedes on Monday in a scene broadcast on Russian state TV that was seemingly aimed at fixing some of the reputational damage inflicted by the blast. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said it is the daily press briefing Tuesday that the claimed Ukrainian attacks were terrorist acts and said necessary measures would be taken to protect key facilities. Ukraine has liberated